Hey everybody, so we're here, I'm actually in New Delhi, I've just arrived and we're heading to, which markets we're going to? How did you do? What was that again?
Khadi Babri.
There we go, that's where we're going. So we're going to go have a look at some, the spice market. And I just thought, while we're sitting in the traffic, and there is a bit of traffic in New Delhi, we'll just have a chat with our man here, Harjinder, and he can just tell us a little bit about where we are and what we're doing. So I've arrived in New Delhi, we're off to the spice markets. So you cook with a lot of spices, mate?
Khadi Babri.
Khadi Babri.
Yes.
And you cook with a lot of spices? Ooh.
Yes.
Yeah. And you enjoy cooking with spices?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does your
Lot of good quality.
A lot of good quality. And
Yeah.
does your wife cook, or
Yeah.
do you do the cooking?
Yeah. My wife is cooking.
Your wife is cooking.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Excellent. And how old is the market that we're going to?
Lot of, sir, this is a many time old market. Khadi Babri.
Khadi Babri. Okay,
Yes.
right. And lots and lots of people go there, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I'll flip around the camera, see if we can do this. So we're a bit of a tiki tour. We've got the military around here. I'll see if I can flick around there. What have we got over there, mate? What's that?
You have the parliament in India.
Okay, so there's the Indian Parliament over there. That looks pretty impressive. There's a lot of cars here. Obviously, I'm not sure if people have been to India before, but there is a lot of traffic. Actually, probably not as much as I've seen in Indonesia, but there's lots of police as well. So here we've got some great big roundabout, and like I said before, we're off to the old spice markets. Here you go. So there's Indian Parliament. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It's rather large. So we're going on a little bit of a tiki tour through we're on our way to the spice market. There's not a massive police presence, but you certainly do notice it. And then we go cruising through. So it was a decent journey to get here. Slept for about 2 hours on the plane, but that's all right. So we're off to go and have a look at one of India's oldest spice markets. Just having a little bit of a tiki tour around here. So what's your favourite spice you like cooking with?
In market,
What's your favourite spice for cooking?
you have, sir, lot of spice.
A lot of spice. What's your favourite?
Favorite, sir, you have the chicken masala.
Yeah.
You have the jeera.
Yeah.
You have curry powders. Curry
Okay.
powder for yellow one.
Yeah.
Yes, very famous.
Very famous.
Yes.
Okay. Well, we might sign off there. We're on our way to the markets. Just thought I'd give people a little bit of a tour of New Delhi, and we will check back very soon. Thanks for watching.